or it's like you can dress casually, you can dress however you want. ये एक तो एक standard set किया हुआ है, but do you think it's right?
I have a very twisted rule. पहली date, if I have been asked out by somebody, अगर मुझे किसी ने ask out किया and I want to test them, I want to like see how the water floats, I will meet them the exact opposite of dolled up. मैं उनसे बिल्कुल casual गंदी मंदी हालत के अंदर मिलूंगी, because I want them to see me without the makeup. Which alhamdulillah for me, thanks to skincare and all the investment that I've put, is not very different from how I look without makeup. Like, that's how I want them to see me, because I don't want them to be dating the image that they see on social media or the pictures that they have seen मेरी हल्की फुल्की थोड़ी बहुत modeling शॉडलिंग करने की, ये etc etc. And that is my first test for them. Are they really coming for me or are they coming for the image? If they ask me out, if they are a gentleman enough and they say I want to take you out, मैं तो फलां जगह लेकर जाना चाहता हूँ,
Okay.
then I doll up, but not doll up,
हाँ.
not lashes.
Okay.
My limit is that कि किस लिमिट तक जाना है. Zero makeup palette,
हाँ.
lights are बिल्कुल. I'll probably do a dark lip with a gloss on it, liner. That is it. No fake lashes.
No fake, no बालों में curls.
नहीं वहाँ तक मैं नहीं जाती.
वहाँ तक नहीं जाती.
वहाँ तक नहीं. With that, I think I believe in what you taught me in season 1. That you should not be giving wife privileges to somebody who hasn't wifed you yet.
Yeah.
As simple as that.
Exactly.
कुछ चीज़ें मैंने preserve की हुई हैं for the long term serious commitment. वो आपको एवं ही मुझे मेरी जान हॉटपॉट खिलाने के लिए लेकर जा रहे हो तो मैं तो दुल्हन बन के आऊँ. इतना तो मेरी बात नहीं हो सकती. तो मेरा तो बेसिकली ये मानना है कि इतना करो कि overdone ना लगे, simple लगे, basic
normal लगे.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, there's this cafe.
Okay.
Newplex के पास, I've forgotten the name.
Flame.
Oh yes. Have you ever been there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I often go there. ना कभी कभार दोस्तों
It's
वगैरह
a
के
chill
साथ.
place.
It's
Nice
a very
place.
chill place. The shisha flavors are amazing. The service is absolutely amazing.
But you should go to Terraza. It's much better.
I've been to Terraza as well. I really like them. Their service is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's good.
And sometimes you run into these girls who've come to dates over there.
Oh my
यार,
god.
वो क्या
Same
बन
thing
गया
at Terraza.
क्या
Like
बन गया
मैं देख रही होती हूँ and I'm like, wow, all this for shisha and pasta?